Hello, hello. Merry Christmas, one. Merry Christmas, all. You're welcome to the Christmas Day edition of ILERA EKO Extra, your favorite show on radio, your dialogue that talks about how you can access quality healthcare at very minimal cost. My name is Akan Usen, and I'll be doing a solo flight today. We don't have any guests in the studio, but of course, trust that we're bringing the same measure of, goodness, quality, and information to help you get the best plans for you and your family. One more time, welcome to ILERA EKO Extra right here on Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. Do remember the show is brought to your listening pleasure, courtesy the Lagos State Health Management Agency, LASHMA. I'll be back after this break.
Mama Shade, this your pikin no well. Make you take him go hospital now.
My sister, that big money be that too.
Which big money? You never hear about LSHS ILERA EKO?
ILERA EKO? What be that?
Lagos Health is our wealth. ILERA EKO.
Now, true, Lagos State Health Management Agency, LASHMA, don't bring correct healthcare plan. Well, makes sense for your domot. It just a play healthcare where your hand feel rich. This one, now for everybody where they live inside Lagos State, they call them ILERA EKO. Whether you be civil servant or small private business owner, trade professional, or even market man or woman. So far, you they live inside Lagos. This better now for you.
Make you register with ILERA EKO branded agents or outlets where you see ILERA EKO logo.
Pay 40,000 naira every year for family package or 8,500 naira every year for one person. Make you begin enjoy mind. For more information, call 0700 ILERA EKO or 0800 Ask LASHMA or make you visit www.lashma.com.
Lagos Health is our wealth.
Welcome back. It's still looking really, really good in and around town. Of course, it's Christmas Day. It's a day to show love, a day to celebrate, the birth of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. It's also a time, for those who, for one reason or the other, have to go out. Visiting, showing love to friends and family and all that. It's also a good time for me. I feel this would be the best of times to gift someone an ILERA EKO plan, to show love, to show you care about them. For the benefits of those who perhaps do not know what ILERA EKO is all about, we'll be starting from the nitty-gritty. Yes, I told you it's a solo flight. Of course, as we do this, we'll give you traffic updates. The Bagada Expressway at this time in and out looking very, very smooth, very fine. I can tell you, for those coming in from Ogudu Road, trying to connect the Ojota end on the Ikorodu Road stretch, you have it really good. On Ikorodu Road, Ojota precisely at this time, looking very good inwards and outwards. Coming in from the 3rd Million Bridge, trying to connect Olokbomeji thereabouts, you have it very, very good at this time. On the Obafemi Awolowo Way, for those coming in from the Olowu end, connecting Allen, you have it really good, nothing to worry about, even as you head onwards Journey Radio down towards the testing ground end. But of course, people trying to, catch fun and all that around the ShopRite end is a thing to watch out for as the day progresses. But at this time, it's still quite friendly traffic-wise. So, ILERA EKO, what is ILERA EKO? That's the question. Do you remember you can be part of the discussion? You can feel free to air your views if you're already on any of the plans. If you'd like to ask questions, seek clarification, feel free to connect with me. 080-991-20777 and 091-538-77127. Any of this will do. The first line, 080-991-20777, is also our WhatsApp line. So it will be amazing if you can reach out to us. Let us know what you feel. If you're also on any of the plans and you've benefited, it will also be nice to give commendation. If you want to seek clarification, ask any question, feel free to connect with us. It would be lovely to hear from you. Yes, so ILERA EKO is a standard social health insurance, basic health insurance plan consisting of is a social health insurance plan. So this was created by the Lagos State government through the Lagos State Health Management Agency, just for the benefit of Lagosians, people who live and work in Lagos, to be able to access affordable and quality health services, through it's insurance, health insurance, for want of a better word. So it's a basic health insurance plan consisting of primary and some secondary benefits. That's going straight to the plans. So I'm talking about the plans. We have the ILERA EKO standard plan. So doing an overview, I said it's a basic health insurance plan. So it consists of a primary, just a basic, and then some secondary benefits under the mandatory Lagos State Health Scheme and ILERA EKO range of plans. It's designed for individuals. So if it's just you could decide to take that. You could also take that for your family. So this plan guarantees affordable and quality health services for you. And of course, it ensures a delivery of quality healthcare as provided by the Lagos State Health Management Agency. You get to choose any hospital you want. Okay, we have a list of hospitals that you could get to choose from. I understand we have both private and government hospitals. So subscribers on this plan, you get to pay a certain feature. So the features, a certain amount rather. The features, you can access. Okay, let's see. General benefits, you have peace of mind, of course. The premiums are affordable on any of the plans. You have access to quality health care, of course, within the ILERA EKO network of hospitals that, of course, will be given to you on when you enroll and then you register. And, it protects you from financial hardships, of huge medical bills. You know that feeling of helplessness when, well, nobody prays for it, but of course we're human beings and anything could happen. Getting to the hospital and then, you're told to pay a certain amount of money, which this thing was not planned for, That's what this would get to protect you for, and to help you maintain a high standard of healthcare delivery services. And also, the truth is, you have value for money spent. Yes, it is unique in the way in that there's no age limit. Waiting period, and then the amount of people you can get on it. So we'll be talking about a few of the plans. So I already mentioned that the basic, which of course is the standard plan. We'll just talk about that right now. Standard plan for the individual is 8,500. 8,500 for the family plan, which of course father, mother, and 4 children. It's 40,000 naira annually. 40,000 naira annually. If you are on any of the plans or under ILERA EKO, feel free to connect with me. 080-991-20777 and 091-538-77127. We would love to hear from you. I would love to hear from you. Or perhaps you've encountered any challenge as regards accessing service from any of the hospitals. Feel free to connect with me. Of course, I will be connecting you with any of the officials to handle such questions and challenges. Okay, so for what you get to enjoy if you are on the standard plan, of course, registration is covered. General consultation. What do I mean by general consultation? Going to see the doctor and, consultation is covered. You have Okay, I have a call. Let's see. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, welcome to ILERA EKO Extra. Your name and location, please. Hello? Okay, this is Lagos Traffic Radio, and this is ILERA EKO Extra.
Sorry, that's the wrong number.
Okay. Thank you for calling, Mr. Wrong Number. 080-991-20777 and 091-538-77127. You can also reach me on WhatsApp, 080-991-20777. I'd love to hear from you if you're on any of the plans, or perhaps you would want to come on, or you have anything you need clarification as regards, feel free to connect with me. I was talking about the standard plan, which of course I said you can get coverage for your registration, general consultation. Hypertension is covered, treatment of diabetes, mellitus, tuberculosis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease covered, special consultation it's covered, limited to 4 times. You have general surgeries, you have a visit to the pediatrician, that's for children. You also have gynecologists, the gynecologist can attend to you, that's for the women. Physician orthopedics, that's for fractures and all. So common ailments, so there's outpatient care for common ailments, malaria and other diarrheal diseases, acute respiratory tract infections, uncomplicated pneumonia, simple anemia, simple skin diseases, bacterial, fungal, not all that hypertension, diabetes, sickle cell, asthma. These are all covered by this particular standard plan. Okay, I could go on and on. We have treatment of minor eye ailments, including conjunctivitis, parasitic and allergic ailments, simple contusions, abrasions, removal of the doctors, they know how to say all this, but these are all covered. Okay, you have also access to lens and frames, but there's a limit for the standard plan, which of course is 5,000 naira. You also have family planning services covered, counseling on family planning methods, provision of services, oral contraceptives and other contraceptives. I don't want to go into all that. You have provision of emergency contraception, injectables, implants, and all other things for the family planning. It is covered. Child welfare services. What do I mean by that? Nutritional advice, health education, and other services, growth monitoring covered under this, and then immunization, of course, for children under 5 years old. Also, hospital care and admission, standard general single meal, were available for 15 days. Cumulative, per annum, that's you can be admitted. So hospital care and admission, you're covered. Provision of prescribed drugs in line with the LSHS for primary care use is also covered. Now you also are covered for blood transfusion, 2 pints, a limit of 2 pints per year. Then also as mentioned, diabetes, hypertension, asthma, and all that. Even HIV/AIDS services provider, the management is covered by this. Yes, tuberculosis services, hematology, blood count, and all that is covered. Okay, I could go on and on, but I just to let you know that there's so much you get to, enjoy. You can get x-rays, chest and limbs. There's some tests you can also do when you're on the scheme. For pregnant women, obstetric scan, abdominal pelvic scan, that's a USS, the ECG, cervical cytology, ultrasound scans, maternal and newborn care, antenatal, normal deliveries, CS, for those who want to do a hysterectomy. All this is covered by the standard plan. I could go on and on. Dental care is covered. So, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? That's the question. All right. So, we have other plans. We have the ILERA EKO Standard Plus, which of course is just like an improvement on the standard plan. Now, if the standard plan could be as rich as this, think about the Standard Plus plan. It's just a higher and improved plan, just an improved version of the Standard Plus plan. More benefits under the mandatory Lagos State Health Scheme and the ILERA EKO, a range of plans. And what do you get to enjoy? Okay, like I mentioned, you get peace of mind. And every other thing you get from the standard plan. But of course, a few things that, okay, let's see. Okay, so for the eye care, I mentioned earlier that for the standard plan, you have for lenses and frames, you have a limit of 5,000 naira. Anything above that, of course, you get to pay out of pocket. But for the standard plus, it is a 10,000 naira limit. Yes, and a few other things improved on the standard plus. Yes, just an improvement of the standard plan. Now, I was talking about the price earlier. Yes, so for the standard plus plan, an individual will pay 15,000 naira for a year, as against standard plus, where it's 8,500 for an individual. For the standard plus, the family, you pay 70,000 naira annually, whereas for the standard plan, it's just 40,000 naira annually. We have other plans. We have the ILERA EKO school plan. ILERA EKO school plan for children in primary schools and secondary schools. Yes, so even if you aren't on any plan, if your child, or say in a school that has that comes on this scheme, that your children will get to enjoy this. So I want to invite schools who perhaps are interested. I would like for you to come on the scheme, come on board, get to be part of this, get to enjoy this. Let your children in your school be covered by this. It's 2,000 naira per term, or you pay 7,000 naira per session, 2,500 naira per term, or 7,500 per session, which of course is 3 terms. That will be amazing. Okay, so of course, when I know that there's a difference between registering and enrollment and registering. If you not pay, so you could just come and you could enroll, and then you don't you register and you don't enroll. Payment validates your getting to starting to enjoy the services that of course you'll be paying for. Another plan I would like to talk about and mention is the ILERA EKO tertiary plan. What is the ILERA EKO tertiary plan? What's the difference from the school plan? I'll be right back after this brief breather. Stay close.
Mommy, Shade, this child looks sickly. Try and take her to the hospital. I wish I could, but expenses are too much. Don't tell me you have not heard about LSHS ILERA EKO. ILERA EKO? What is that?
Lagos Health is our wealth. ILERA EKO.
Oh yes, Lagos State Health Management Agency, LASHMA, has designed an affordable and quality healthcare scheme for Lagos residents. In ILERA EKO, at your convenience, you can have access to antenatal, delivery, immunization, management of hypertension, diabetes and other illnesses, family planning and basic emergencies. Register with ILERA EKO branded agents and at the nearest ILERA EKO branded outlets. Pay 40,000 naira annual subscription for a family package or 8,500 naira for an individual package and start to experience peace of mind. For more information, call 0700 ILERA EKO or 0800 Ask LASHMA or visit www.lashma.com. ILERA EKO, affordable and quality healthcare for Lagos residents.
Lagos Health is our wealth.
Mama Shade, this your pikin no well. Make you take am go hospital now.
My sister, na big money be that too.
Which big money? You never hear about LSHS ILERA EKO?
ILERA EKO? Wetin be that?
Lagos Health is our wealth. ILERA EKO.
Now, true, Lagos State Health Management agency Lashma don't bring correct healthcare plan wey make sense for your domot. E just apply healthcare where your hand fit reach. This one na for everybody wey dey live inside Lagos State. They call am ILERA EKO. Whether you be civil servant or small private business owner, trade professional, or even market man or woman, so far you dey live inside Lagos, this better na for you.
Make you register with ILERA EKO branded agents or outlets where you see ILERA EKO logo.
Pay 40,000 naira every year for family package or 8,500 naira every year for one person. Make you begin enjoy with a mind. For more information, call 0700 ILERA EKO or 0800 Ask Lashma or make you visit www.lashma.com.
Lagos Health is our way.
Welcome back. It's ILERA EKO Extra right here on Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. So even as you prepare your Christmas chicken and or whatnot at home, feel free to drop me a line 080-991-20777 and 091-538-77127. All right. So I was about to tell you about the tertiary plan. So the tertiary plan is for those in tertiary institutions, talking about universities, polytechnics, tertiary institutions, colleges of education. Well, you get to enjoy care. Most of what you get on the standard plan, you get on the tertiary plan, and it's just 5,000 naira annually. But of course, you have to be a student. So if you're going to be registering for the tertiary plan, you have to have proof that you are a student, probably with your ID card and other things that will be required of you when you get there. All right. We also have the ILERA EKO Seniors Plan. ILERA EKO Seniors Plan. So this is for those our seniors, our mummies, our daddies, our grandpas, 60 and above. And, there's some special things you get to enjoy if you are on the seniors plan. Apart from every other thing that I mentioned earlier, there's some special tests. Yes, for of course, for those who are getting elderly, there's some particular tests you have to go for. Some health conditions that are synonymous with old age, and this is especially tailored for you. So aside the hospital care that you get to get, say for diabetes and all that, there's some tests you get to enjoy at the different diagnostic centers which are affiliated with that do this with Lashma, okay? And if you come up on board, you get to enjoy this. So for individual plan, for the ILERA EKO Seniors plan, it's 34,000 naira. For couples, it's 65,000 naira annually. You can see there's a bit of a discount when it's a couple, when you're coming as a couple. For the individual, 34,000 naira and 65,000 naira for those coming together. So it would have been 68,000 naira, but there's a discount of 3,000 naira removed. So for a couple, mommy, grandpa, and grandma, you can actually come on board and be part of this. We also have another plan. We call it the Co-Tele Med, as the name implies. It is where you can access healthcare from the comfort of your home via your mobile device. To come on board this, of course, what you get to enjoy, you can get consultation, via your mobile device. The doctor will see you, and after consultation, give you prescribed drugs, or you could get your prescription and all that via your mobile device. Yes, of course, I'll be dropping some numbers in case you need more information. You'll be able to get this information from this particular numbers. But just before I round up and give you those numbers, we also have one more plan, which is the ILERA EKO Diaspora Plan. For those abroad who perhaps want their loved ones, their families, their mommies, their daddies, their brothers, their sisters right here in the motherland to enjoy access to quality healthcare at little cost, you can do that. You can also do it for yourself, so that whenever you come in, you'll be able to enjoy the same. So for those on that plan, who want to be on that plan, for the diaspora plan, the individual plan is 55 dollars or 45 pounds, 54 euros, or it's 26,000 annually. For the family plan, it's $270 for the family, or 220 pounds, or 272 euros, or 129,600 annually. Okay, so just as we round up, I'll just give you a few numbers you can reach out to in case you want more information. Okay, so in case you need clarification, in case you need more information, these are the numbers you can reach out to. You can call 0700 ILERA EKO. That's 0700 453 72356. That is 0700 453 72356. You can also call 0800 ILERA EKO. 0800 ILERA EKO. That is 0800 453 72356. There's also a WhatsApp number that you can reach out to, and yes, just send a WhatsApp message. It's 070 453 58275. You can also reach out to 070 461 651. So you can also connect them via their website. Just go to lashma.com, LASHMA.com, lashma.com. So any of these numbers will do. Once you reach out to them, definitely they would help out with any information you will need. It's been a great time on the show, and I would want to encourage you to go get any of these health plans for yourself and other members of your family. You could also gift anybody as something for